we're expecting that, and the next few days should be better. We just woke up with this view. We're gonna eat breakfast and go for the hike. There are many cameras here, and camping like this is illegal in Croatia, but it's off season and all the campings are closed, so I think we're okay. It's the third day of the trip. Today we're changing spots to a location like 2 hours away, which I hope will be just as good or even better than this one. The road here is super sketchy, so I hope there is a parking spot. English.
Mile, du spreken. Du Englisch.
Ja?
Ja, viel Wind, verstehen, aufpassen, da, verstehen.
Ah.
LKW, verstehen. Bora, passen.
Hier ist Wind.
Yes. Oh, it's too windy.
Und
Ja,
Felsen.
200 Kilometer Wind, da, verstehen.
Okay. So I go back.
Weg, ja, ja.
Ah, okay.
Weg, ja, to spreken, verstehen. Also
Okay.
range, verstehen.
So they're not possible. Okay.
Risiko, 2-3 Minuten, verstehen.
Okay, okay. It's too windy today to stay there for a long time, and we can only go there for like 5 minutes to see. We're gonna do that and turn back around, find another spot someplace else. And I just realized my diesel heater tank is leaking, so I had to add a bunch of toilet paper here for now. I'm gonna have to fix it later. What's
Street, close street,
today?
not street close. Street must stop.
Ah, when do you think it's open?
2 days, 1 day.
Now I have to drain the whole diesel tank to tighten the bolt here and hopefully seal it up.
Темная ночь, только пули свистят по степи, только ветер гудит в проводах, тускло звезды мерцают. В темную ночь ты, любимая, знаю, не спишь, и у детской кровати слезу утираешь. Как я люблю глубину твоих ласковых глаз.
Now it's close also, small car.
Yeah,
К ним прижаться
but it's windy
теперь
everywhere, right?
Maybe.
Tomorrow it's better, I think.
разделяет любимая
Morning, no.
нас.
Yeah,
Maybe after the day.
yeah. You fixed your boat.
Пролегла между
This car must hear this. Must work.
Верю в тебя, дорогую подругу мою. Эта вера от пули меня темной ночью хранила.
We're leaving Karlobag and going to Paklenica National Park, and the road is open finally. This is how it looks here. In about 1 hour, as the sun sets, we'll be going for a hike over there on the Mars Trail. Okay, so I guess that's all for this video. We visited the most beautiful places in Croatia over the last 8 or 9 days. It's not the end of my trips, as in a few days I'm going to Morocco and I'll also be documenting my journey from there. So if you like this one, make sure to stay tuned, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.